Hello guys, welcome back. Today we've got a slightly different video. I'm going to be teaching you to make some jelly for your runs and when you're out and about on your adventures. You need some extra energy. Just follow this little recipe.
So everything you're going to need is shown here and the recipe is in the description. These jellies are a great replacement for expensive gels and you can tweak the recipe if you need more or less sugar. Start by measuring out 500 ml of cold water. Then add it to the pan, followed by Vimto to taste. You can use any cordial or concentrate. Add half a tablespoon of salt mix. The recipe for this is on screen and in the description below. Then mix. Then weigh out 50 grams of sugar. Followed by 5 grams of Agar Agar, which holds up better out in hot weather compared to gelatin. And mix together, ensuring you break up any big lumps. Add all this to the pan and mix well. Line a tray or tin with cling film to use as a jelly mould, whatever shape you have or prefer. Place the pan on the stove and put the stove on high. Then add 1 dessert spoon of honey and mix and stir well. Keep stirring regularly as the mixture heats up. It's important to ensure everything is fully dissolved and fully mixed together. Keep heating until the mixture is boiling. Then pour the mixture into a pouring jug to make pouring into a mould easier. Leave to cool at room temperature for an hour or two, before putting in the fridge for another hour or two until the mixture is set. Once the mixture is set, remove from the fridge. Then tip the jelly out of your mould and remove the cling film. Next, cut the jelly into individual pieces however big you like. I had to drain a bit of excess water off these. Then dust with icing sugar and taste. I carry a handful in a food bag every time I go on a long run, just in case I need them. Great if you're planning any runs over half marathon distance and really easy to eat and digest. Hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching.